Ba't ang mga hinayupak magsasagot kayo? Hoy, open cam. Tapain ko ang ulo mo. Naka-vlog to.
Sino yan?
First fight. RR. Bala ka dyan, naka-vlog to. Tayo nyo ako dyan ha.
We're here at Taiwan. Tagal-tagal lang ano namin dito. Layover namin. Ano kayo ngayon? Ha? Kami nga pala yung nilalang nyo lang dati.
Gator tayo, left side, di ba?
Alam mo sa akin tanga?
Maraming salamat sa mga OFWs na tumulong sa akin. Yeah, we're here now at Taiwan. We're going to sleep.
Lo, kapag ka panood mo tulo habang ini-edit mo lo.
Pero parang mas ideal daw. Unahin yung Model 6 talaga yung unahin. Kasi is doon tayo talaga unang titira. Less na yung kasi tayo na 5501 West Century Boulevard, Inglewood, California. For all the rest. Haras? Anong laki? Motel 6. Sorry. Naalala ko yun. Motel 6 to Haras. Naalala ko kasi yung hotel namin dati.
Kapag tinanong lang.
Kasi tinanong lang. Ayun din kasi original ng siko yung dati, Motel 6. So yun guys, option lang naman yun. Pag tinanong. Okay. So stick pa rin tayo sa plan na Motel 6.
Tinanong ko sa ate ko, wala daw ganun.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and a Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands.
Oh, mga Pinoy. Very Pinoy ah. May tumbler ka pa.
Kaya ganito. Ilasan.
Uy, transition. Salong ah.
Ay.
Salong ah.
Uy!
Cheat mo ako ah.
Uy!
Cheat mo, pinapatay mo eh.
Paano tumakbo?
Ship, pinapatay mo eh. Pinutol yung kamay eh.
Tingin ka sa bintana. Pag nakaharap ka sa kaliwa. Video mo kami. Video mo kami tanga.
Ulo pong oh. Kinakamay ah. Alam ko kanin lang yung kinakamay ah. Pali pala may sabaw.
Cup noodle tol.
Cup noodle kinakamay.
Hindi nga kami talaga to ha. Kaganda na mo lang ano.
Ay, alambre. PC. Yan pala yung PC eh.
Sino yung mga night? Kasi Marlon yun yung gabi.
Nilapit.
Pucha, antok na ako dun.
Grabe.
Pangatlong beses ko na yun nahatid sa LAX. Yun yung din po yung gabi na hinatid ko yung asawa ko pauwi ng Pilipinas.
Apo. Grabe, tatlong balik.
Antok balik na yun.
Tapos kami rin tulog din kami sa biyahe. Si Arthur na yung gising.
Wala kami lang ni Ben nagkakwentuhan dito. Pucha, antok na ako dahil pucha, alas 4 na madaling araw na yun.
morning.
Morning po.
Hindi tayo
Morning. May water po kayo. Good morning, California. Ganda ng winter.
California ba? Ba't di pa ngayon?
Panis, naka-short. Ang sabi mo, Jay?
I-try natin.
Doon na tayo sa trail. Para mas alam niyo yan.
Gogi. Parang mga magti-training kasama si Pacquiao.
Huwag ka na huminga. Sabi bawal.
No problem daw dito, pero bawal lang sa inside ng field.
Tara na. Tara na. Ano na tayo agad para ano?
Kukuha tol mga ganyan.
Ano lang, ano to?
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit to get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy it.
Grabe yung training nila. Pwede na silang kasama ni Pacquiao.
Si Andy lang meron. Pero pina-email ko na wait na.
Si Andoy.
Next ka naman eh, nakita rin. Last 2 days, sabi niya. Bilisan nyo. You. Sa'yo ba kayo? Tara ba? Tingin ka yan. 5, 6, 7, go! Really missing you, missing!
Sabi niya, magaling kang kupal ka. Acting na acting ka.
Five, 6, 7, go! Really missing you. I'll be missing you. Ah. Very last, let's go! Pag-champion!
May
Game! 5! Red, ayaw mo na. 5, 6, 7, go! Really missing you. I'll be missing you. Ah! Siri ang putik na yan.
Ganap na ganap si Penpen eh.
Time check, 8:03 p.m. here at Portomac, San Diego, California. We're still doing some adjustment. Last 2 days, let's go. Ayun muna. Bukas ulit. Last day bukas guys, focus. Mas isipin natin yung pyesa bukas. Yung pyesa, kung bakit tayo nandito. Maraming distraction kasi nandito tayo, kasi wala tayo sa Pilipinas. Kabilang mundo to. Last day bukas. So late na talaga tayo. Nakapanghinayang yung tagal natin dito, pero ngayon lang tayo na kompleto. Sana ang linis na sobra nito. Pero wala eh. Yun talaga, ang mahalaga, natuloy tayo, 'di ba? Kaysa naman sa hindi tayo natuloy. So laban natin bukas to. Try our best. Subukan nyo yung sarili nyo bukas. I-challenge nyo yung sarili nyo kung hanggang saan ba yung kaya nyo maging best person kayo bukas para sa Oxy. Let's go! Sige, pray, tapos uwi.
We dance to praise the God who reigns!
Diba sabi ko 6 AM daw.
Dream me, you're reminiscing and missing you.
Ali, come here.
Wow, Culture Shock, the OGs.
Yes, sir.
OGs. The jam, bro.
I'll warm up a little bit. I'll just observe. I'm gonna see what they got going on.
Oy, magsalita naman kayo.
Hey bro, really good guys. The place is really good. One thing I noticed is this guy named.
The dance is very good.
You know what? This dance is so amazing.
Ito, nauna ka yata sa ganito ko.
Nag-game ball.
Sa space.
Hi.
Like a pole, block, trip show, lips slow to the flow, bring it back like oh, too cold with it, sexy. Work that thing, girl. Turn it up.
When you feel down and when you feel tired, I talk to God, I wait, I sit with myself, and He'll give me the word. He'll give me whatever, and you don't, sometimes God, doesn't move on all the time. So we're like, man, I'm ready to blow up. Where's my... God is going to give you the divine timing. You have to be prepared. And what you guys are doing right now, with school, with the dance, you're preparing. And success is when preparation meets opportunities. When they collide, that's when success happens. So sometimes the opportunity's there, but we're not prepared. So the way what you guys are doing spiritually and in your own separate lives, it's gonna all come together. So you guys just stay the course, man. Stay the course, and the world is yours. It's very rare you find young men and women that understand their purpose, and you guys have a purpose and you're driven. So you keep God first and keep your purpose driven. The world is yours. Our family and I are going to pray for you guys always. Thank you guys.
Parang parito, mag-share lang kami ng bata mo.
Wow siya, Tito. Kanina pa siya lakad na lakad.
Dito ko nag-aanap siya. Mapayang ka nag-lakad.
Hey guys.
Ano yan, dump, coach?
Dump.
Dump ulit, pang dump. Dump o vlog?
Vlog siguro.
Sige, vlog.
Sige, vlog. Vlog na lang muna. Sige. So, vlog muna to, hindi to dump. Sorry.
Talented. BTS ka pa rin. So right now guys, we're eating some desserts from Tito Roda. It's so delicious. Yummy. Nagbablog sila. Jay, yung dati ni...
Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon na bukas sa Banatay?
Nakakabantay. Kasi reblock. Nalagnat din. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3. And 2, 3. Yan. Isa pa? 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Mabilis nga yung 1. 1 and 2.
Anong tingin mong advantage natin sa mga kalaban natin?
Siguro para sa akin, this is a fresh sa mata ng tao, and hopefully na magustuhan nila.
Ang gusto mong sabihin kahit ano lang?
Nakakaba kasi bukas na to, pero sobrang lakas ng kutob kung magcha-champion talaga to. Champion to.
Yan. Punta mo yan ah. Okay, 6 tayo ulit. 5, 6,
5, 6, 7, and 1. Ay, sorry. 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. 7 to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forever. Tarara. 5, 6, 5. Ever slow. Tarara. 1, 2, 3. Ta. Yan. 6.
Boss, boss.
Boss, bawal yan ah. Video-videoan.
Video kayo, trespassing kayo dyan.
Salamat, O Lord God, sa iyo po namin tinadakila. Ang matamis, Panginoon God, ng papuri at pasasalamat, walang hanggang pasasalamat at papuri muli. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
We dance to praise the God who reigns.
Ito, anong message mo sa amin to? Galingan namin to.
Yan, good luck. You're gonna be a champion.
Yun!
Philippines!
May Brian. Aba, yan kami 80.
Dito ko.
Gameplay? Okay yan.
Okay. Okay, lakad. Yun oh, dumaan pa sa pasikat ka boy. Yun oh. Let's go. Uy, binangga pa ako. Takpan mo ko, takpan mo yung camera.
Taas po. Hindi ko na naiintindihan kung Tagalog eh. Ay, bakit? Oh no! Sorry guys. muna kayo na. Huwag muna dalawa. Same lang.
Yan, parang malayo pa yung ano.
Yan! Sakto, di ba? So, dapat, oops, huwag ka alis. Nyebes, ganito na yung ano mo sa end. Kasi pag sumobra ka pa doon, susunod kami lahat. Dapat, ay, isa pa. Bante pa, miss. 5, 6, 7, go! Forever missing you. Don't know what else to do. 6.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you po, kuya. Thank you po.
Ay, wala sinabi.
Tan, mamaya.
Ano lang?
Pwesto mo yung camera sa tech booth nyo. Thank you, Mix, for the McDonald's.
Hey, boy! Tineknikal ang muna. Tineknikal.
Tawa dun, no? Pero palag na yan.
Coach, coach. Gusto mo ba yung kalderetang dinala sa atin?
Mamaya ko yan. Hey guys, stage block na kami.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo ko? Dami.
Pwede ka naman sa blocking mo rin.
Let's go.
Ano pala guys? Guys,
Yeah, Manila, Philippines.
center lang.
Ikaw yung kukuha ng ano, ng
Amoy. Nakita niyo itong hagdan na to?
Yan.
Dito tatay si Nieves.
Okay.
Triple back.
Ay, ano daw stretching daw Baka nood kayo ng nood dyan.
Dati kasi kaya natin Punta kay pen. Go. Punta kay pen. Saan ka pen? Dito. Go. O, try natin to. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 3, go. And 5, and 6, and 7, 6, and 1, and 2, and up. 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Come up. Locking man. Locking man.
you, and I'm missing you. Trying to keep my mind away from thinking about you.
Nakakanak si Red for the first time. Walang mali sa blocking. Hindi natin sure. Hindi natin sure. Injured yung paa mo.
Where's the Philippines? How about Oxy Crew? Fundamental.
And then I know there's a place called
Really missing you, forever missing you. Don't know what to do. Baby, I'm missing you. Trying to keep my mind away from thinking about you. Thinking about you, thinking about you. Really missing you, missing you. Dreaming about you, I'm missing you.
So nasa kalahati na yata. So malapit na kami. So si Lord na bahala dito. Let's go. Hanggang magpunta tayo ng stage, kailangan pawis na pawis tayo kasi kahit pagod tayo, kaya naman natin yung pyesa kasi hindi naman siya nakakapagod. So huwag kayong magtipid na parang ayaw yung mapagod bago sumalang ng stage. Hindi. Stretch ng maayos, lahat talaga na stretch, warm na warm buong katawan. So para paglabas ng stage, kahit sobrang lamig, may tao, gumagana ng mabuti yung katawan natin. So let's go guys!
Oxy Crew on 3! 1, 2, 3! We got the best, I got the race! Woo!
Make some noise for Philippines' own Oxy Crew!
Haven't been myself since the day that you ran away from me. And I try not to get emotional from the memories we shared. Sometimes I can't help it. God knows that you were special. If you ever been lost, you would know just how it feels. You're so real, that you're not here. Hope that I see you again. But until then, I'll be missing you forever. I'm trying to keep my mind away from thinking about you. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Really missing you, missing you. Dreaming about you. Thinking about you. Really missing you, missing you. Forever. Missing you. Don't know what to do. Hey. Trying to keep my mind away from dreaming, or reminiscing and missing you. Trying to keep my mind away from thinking about you. Dreaming about you. Thinking about you. Really missing you, missing you. Dreaming about you. I'm missing you. Really missing you, missing you.
Thank you so much sa experience na yun na binigay mo sa amin. Yan yung mga bagay na hindi namin makakalimutan kahit kailan. Thank you so much.
I love you so much, guys. Thank you. Guys, thank you, guys.
Ako na. Oxygen 3! 1, 2, 3! We dare to raise the God to raise! Sige, let's go.
Third place with a score of 91.1 makes the noise for New Age
Dito na naman tayo sa era na to. Kinakabahan na naman.
Juni, ano masasabi mo? Walang bad mood. Pag magbabad. Dama pa naman.
Dapat nag-video pa agad. After na after.
Iyak.
Binalikan yung video.
Ang ganun. Kaya po tayo Mexico, ya.
Dadating daw yung mga naka-big bike.
Nakarus. Coach, ano masasabi? Uy, sarap.
Maraming salamat.
Dapat dinaya mo yung nasa commercial. Ano masasabi mo kay Alima? Okay, naimasmasan na sisipagan. Interview natin ngayon. Iyak yarn. Huling-huli yarn.
Process muna, process.
Naka-check na daw.
Okay na daw. After lunch.
Early ano na nga sinisipagan niya eh.
Nakita mo una, natatalo ka una eh, di ba? Kaya ako 1-0.
Pakis-kiss ka dyan sa kanya, ha? Open. Kanina ka pa dyan. Kiss-kiss ka, ha? Kiss ka talaga, ha? Napahiya ka, ha? Ay, natouch ko yung kanya. Oh.
You're crying, bro.
No way.
Dito.
Gusto nila, yung maramdaman mo sa bibili pa.
Ay.
Nabutan ko pa si Marlo, okay? Ay, nabutan ko si Marlo kasi sabi niya alas 4 mo sundin. Okay?
Bye. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Tita. Ay po sa camera. Thank you po.
Ano yung camera yan?
Ako. Camera po yan.
Thank you so much.
Painumin naman doon. Tapos,
Tita. Thank you so much. Thank you po.
Oh my God! We will see you pag uwi na.
Opo.
More, please. Oh my. You're flirting with auntie in front of your mom.
Lumiyak si Tango. Nagilaki ng mukha mo. Who's crying?
that was fast. That was fast, bro.
He's not gonna even eat the food. Just forget about it.
Nagtitild siya.
Haven't been myself since the day that you went away from me. And I try not to get emotional from the memories we shared. Sometimes I can't help it. God knows that you were special. If you ever loved and lost, then you would know just how it feels. Feels so unreal that you're not here. Hope that I'll see you again. But until then, I'll be missing you. Forever missing you. Don't know what else to do. But dream me, and I'm missing you. Trying to keep my mind away from thinking about you. Dream about you. Thinking about you. Really missing you, missing you. Dream about you. Thinking about you. Really missing you, missing you. Gotta cherish every moment, cause we don't know the last. Never take each other for granted, cause we could lose it all so fast. And even though
Wala na kayong makain dito. Masira pa yung ano namin. Ah?
11.
Kaya pala. So ayan, inaayos na ni engineer yung ano namin. Ayaw maluto. Ito na nga lang kakainin namin, oh. Oh. Nakalagot ka sa tatay ni Kirsten, makikita ka. Ito kami sa Dubai.
Tatlo na yung leeg.
Sino na nagluluto? Nagluluto ka!
Ang dami.
Parang yung babae binibidyoan mo. Screen yung videoan mo. Hindi, binibidyoan niya guys. Oh. Ay, naku, pen. Tanga ka.
Ano yung sa lawya? Ikaw, huwag mong ibabad dun, balik.
Huwag mo ibabad, ha?
Kita.
Yan, lagyan mo pa. Magdi-dissolve yan.
Pinanay yung kaabot para
Papuntay mo dito.
Yep.
Papuntay mo dito.
Ikaw magawa. Seryoso, tanga.
Ah, nagda-doubt ka.
Nagda-doubt.
Ano?
Lasa.
Puro asin. Guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa US! Hindi totoo lahat to! AI lang to! Alam ko yung mangyayari dito! Magcha-champion kami! AI kasi to! Tingnan nyo, igigisa ko nito!
O bali, parak to ha. Walang kikilos sa masama. Taas ng kamay. Bawal yung ginagawa nyo. May pusta yung mga yan, okay?
Teddy boy. Teddy boy. Teddy boy. Teddy boy.